Let me tell you about Sarah, a woman with big dreams and a heart full of ambition. She once believed that anything was possible if she just worked hard enough and kept her hopes alive. Sarah dreamed of opening her own bakery, traveling the world to taste new flavors, and building a deep, meaningful connection with someone special. Her imagination soared with possibilities, and she often pictured herself living a life filled with joy, adventure, and love. But as the years passed, life got in the way. Responsibilities piled up, and her dreams slowly faded into the background, replaced by exhaustion and a constant sense of being stuck in the same place. Each day felt like a never-ending loop: work, chores, and frustration. The spark she once had seemed to dim a little more with every passing week. She tried everything she could think of: positive thinking, vision boards, self-help books, meditation, but nothing seemed to break the cycle. The advice always sounded good, but real change felt out of reach. Sarah watched others succeed, scrolling through social media and seeing friends reach milestones she could only dream of. Each post made her feel more isolated, more left behind, as if life was moving forward for everyone but her. She often wondered, what am I doing wrong? Why can't I make my dreams real, no matter how hard I try? The questions echoed in her mind, leaving her feeling lost and confused. One evening, while scrolling online in search of answers, she stumbled upon a story about the pineal gland, sometimes called the third eye. The article explained how modern life can block this tiny gland, cutting us off from our intuition, creativity, and the power to manifest our deepest desires. The story described a natural way to awaken this gland and restore our connection to our inner strength. It spoke of ancient wisdom and new discoveries, and how people were finding hope again by supporting their bodies in a gentle, holistic way. For the first time in ages, Sarah felt a flicker of hope, a sense that maybe, just maybe, there was a path forward she hadn't tried yet. The product was called Crystal Restore, and the story came from someone just like her, once lost, now thriving. The testimonials were filled with stories of transformation and renewed purpose. It wasn't a magic pill, but a way to support the body's natural healing and help clear away the mental fog that had built up over the years. Sarah was skeptical, of course. She'd tried so many things before. But this felt different. Simple, natural, and rooted in the body's own power to heal and grow. She decided to learn more, diving into research and reading stories from others who had found new energy and clarity. For the first time in a long while, she felt a sense of possibility, hoping this could finally unlock the life she'd always dreamed of. Sometimes, all it takes is a glimmer of hope to start a new chapter, a single moment that reminds us our story isn't over yet. And for Sarah, that moment had just arrived. With hope in her heart, she was ready to take the first step toward her dreams once again. So, what is Crystal Restore? It's a natural liquid supplement designed to reactivate your pineal gland, the third eye that helps you feel connected, intuitive, and able to manifest your desires. Created for anyone feeling stuck or disconnected, it uses a blend of 9 plant-based ingredients to gently cleanse and nourish your body, targeting the pineal gland. Crystal Restore is 100% natural, non-GMO, and free from stimulants or synthetic chemicals. Just add a few drops to water or your favorite drink. Manufactured in the USA in an FDA-approved, GMP-certified facility, it meets the highest standards for quality and safety. Crystal Restore isn't just another supplement, it's a tool to help clear away blockages and unlock your true potential. If you're ready to feel more energized, focused, and aligned, this could be your next step. How does Crystal Restore work? Picture your pineal gland as a radio receiver for intuition and creativity. Modern toxins like fluoride and chemicals can calcify this gland, muffling its signal and leaving you feeling foggy and uninspired. Crystal Restore's natural ingredients act like a cleaning crew, dissolving these blockages and flushing out toxins. First, it clears away the static, then nourishes the gland so it can function at its best. As your pineal gland is revitalized, you sleep better, your mood lifts, and your intuition sharpens. You start noticing synchronicities and opportunities you once missed. Your thoughts become more focused, and you attract the relationships and abundance you desire. Crystal Restore doesn't create magic. It simply removes what's been holding you back. It awakens the creator within, empowering you to shape your reality. The life you want is closer than you think. Awakening your pineal gland with Crystal Restore can transform every area of your life, opening doors to experiences you may have only dreamed of before. It's not just about taking a supplement, it's about embracing a new way of being, where your mind, body, and spirit are in harmony. The first thing many notice is a deep, natural energy, no jitters, just real vitality that flows from within. You feel more awake, more alive, and ready to greet each day with enthusiasm. You wake up refreshed, stay productive and feel present all day. Tasks that once felt overwhelming now seem manageable, and you move through your day with a sense of ease and clarity. Mood improves too. Anxiety and stress lift, replaced by calm and optimism. You find yourself responding to challenges with patience, and your relationships begin to flourish as you radiate positivity. The world looks brighter, and you start to smile more. Even small moments feel richer, and you notice beauty in places you once overlooked. This emotional shift is the foundation for manifesting your dreams. With a clear mind and open heart, you set intentions and take inspired action toward your goals. Most exciting of all, you unlock your true potential, making confident decisions, finding creative solutions, and attracting abundance. You begin to trust your intuition and see opportunities everywhere. You become a conscious co-creator of your life, feeling the universe work with you. Life feels more meaningful, and you experience a deep sense of connection to everything around you. Crystal Restore is pure, plant-based, and works in harmony with your body. It's crafted with care, using only the highest quality ingredients to support your natural well-being. Many users feel positive changes within weeks, no harsh chemicals, just natural support. It's gentle yet powerful, helping you feel your best without compromise. It's about nurturing yourself back to health and joy from the inside out. Every choice you make becomes an act of self-love, and your body thanks you for it. Imagine living not just successfully, but joyfully. Picture yourself thriving, surrounded by happiness and truly loving the life you live. That's the promise of Crystal Restore, a journey to a brighter, more vibrant you. The real proof of Crystal Restore's impact, it's found in the lives of people like David and Maria, everyday individuals who dared to hope for something better. David, an accountant, felt his life was black and white, stable but joyless. Each day blurred into the next, weighed down by routine and exhaustion. Skeptical but desperate for change, he decided to give Crystal Restore a try, even though he doubted anything could really make a difference. Within just a few weeks, David noticed a shift. He felt lighter, more energetic, and his mind was clearer than it had been in years. Soon, his creativity exploded. He picked up his camera again, started landscape photography, sold his first print, and began living his passion, instead of just dreaming about it. Crystal Restore didn't just give me energy, it gave me my life back, David shares, his eyes bright with excitement for the future. Then there's Maria, a single mom who was constantly overwhelmed by stress, financial anxiety, and the never-ending demands of raising a child alone. She started Crystal Restore hoping for more energy, but the first change she noticed was deeper, more restful sleep. Her stress eased, and she woke up feeling truly rested for the first time in years. With a clearer mind and renewed confidence, Maria began to see new possibilities. She took a leap and launched a small catering business from her kitchen, something she'd only dreamed of before. 6 months later, her business is thriving, her children are proud, and she's building a future for her family, one she never thought possible. I'm no longer just surviving, I'm building a future. Crystal Restore helped me believe in myself again, Maria says, her gratitude shining through. These stories aren't miracles. They're the result of clearing away what holds us back, of finally letting go of the burdens that keep us from moving forward. When you support your body and mind, transformation follows. You rediscover your energy, your confidence, and your sense of purpose. Crystal Restore is about unlocking the life you were meant to live. Ordinary people, extraordinary results, real change, real hope. What could your story be? Imagine the possibilities if you gave yourself the chance to transform. The next transformation could be yours. All it takes is one step to begin your own journey toward a brighter, more vibrant life. Let's be honest, no product is perfect for everyone. Here's what you need to know. Pros Crystal Restore is all natural, plant-based, non-GMO, and free from chemicals or stimulants, so it's safe and gentle. It comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee. Try it for a year, risk-free. Made in an FDA-approved, GMP certified facility, it meets the highest quality standards. Cons. It's only available on the official website, not in stores or on Amazon. Sometimes, due to high demand and rare ingredients, it can sell out. You'll need internet access to order, and stock can be limited. No subscriptions or hidden fees, just a one-time purchase. If you're interested, it's smart to act quickly to secure your supply. Weigh the pros and cons, and decide if this is your moment for change. For a limited time, when you order 3 or 6 bottles, you'll get 2 powerful digital bonuses, free. The first, the Crystal Creativity Code, unlocks your creative potential with practical exercises and inspiration. The second, the Intuition Igniter, teaches you to trust your inner guidance and make better decisions. These guides work hand in hand with Crystal Restore, helping you manifest your desires even faster. Download them instantly after ordering. Start your transformation while you wait for your supplement to arrive. Together, the supplement and guides create a complete system for personal growth. It's everything you need to step boldly into a new, abundant reality. Worried it won't work for you? Crystal Restore comes with a full 365-day 100% money-back guarantee. Try it for a year. Use every bottle if you want. If you're not thrilled with the results, return the bottles, even empty, for a full refund. No questions asked, no hidden fees, no autoship programs. It's a risk-free investment in your well-being. The company stands behind its promise. Your satisfaction is their priority. You have a full year to see the change unfold. There's nothing to lose, and a new life to gain. You've heard Sarah's story, learned how Crystal Restore works, and seen real-life transformations. Now, you stand at a crossroads, keep feeling stuck, or take a risk-free step toward the life you deserve. Today there's a special discount on multi-bottle packages. But, stock is limited. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Your purchase is protected by the 365-day guarantee. Click the link, choose your package, and place your order now. Imagine waking up soon, energized and connected to your purpose. Your journey begins with a single step. Take that step now. Restore the crystal clarity of your mind, your spirit, and your life.